bit. I've started, that's good.
Yes.
And
I wrote a message in my notes that I'm never gonna send to you, saying I'm sorry. I guess you never really know what somebody's gonna do when they get lonely. You found somebody better than me to take care of your insecurities. You did it all while leaving me in the dark.
punta lang ako ng skip para itapon tong aking mga basura. Ito kasi para sa garden waste. Yung brown bin ko ay puno na. Most to nire-rig ko yung aking garden. Kung nakita nyo yung pinakita ko kanina yung garden namin is ano siya, ang dami niyang moss. Pinapatay niya yung damo. So yan yung aking ginagawa this past few days every time na may time ako. So let's go and throw it away. Sobrang ganda ng panahon dito actually. So today it's Monday as usual, it's my off and I'm gonna play golf later on this afternoon with the ladies. My tee off time, it's 20 past 3 ng hapon. So it's a ladies night golf course.
From the case files of the story of the night Toronto. You know that nothing a telephone detective is never done. 1 minute you might be called by a lady from Luton looking for a lighting job. The next it might be a gent from Darrow who just needs a jeweler. Whatever the number you need is Maureen 118 212.
Longer-term sustainability for early learning and childcare. Security Cup final with a 5-0 thrashing of St Johnstone.
Weather. With Police Scotland Safety Council.
Yes to 61025. Now text to 250 plus your standard network rate. You can enter on the website, that's makemeawinner.co.uk, and that's 250. Or you can call this number, that is charged at the standard rate. It's 03434.
That's me going home and picking up Diva, thinking where to bring her. It's a quite busy yung recycling. Nasa likod na si Diva. So kaya siya walking. Punta na lang kayong Kelternan. No. So punta tayo. Samahan niyo kami. Alam niyo na po kung bakit gusto ko dito tumira sa Highlands. Kasi sa mga panahong ganito, ang weather ay ganito, ay napakaganda. Probinsyang probinsya. Kapit na po tayo. Si Diva hinihingal na dun sa likod. Kasi nga mainit na para sa kanya pag ganitong oras. Dito, hindi ko siya pwedeng bitawan agad-agad kasi baka may mga nagwo-walking din. We've been here many times as well, but I can't remember the last time we were here. Nice farm. Ang calm ng sea today. Very, very calm. Ayan yung Cromarty Bridge. Nandiyan. There. Hindi ko siya bitawan tulad ng sabi ko kasi may mga nagwo-walk din. Oh. Nika, good girl. You want to go to the water? You want to go to the water? Here. This way, this way, this way. Better this way. Here. Be careful, ah. Be careful. You go. Go. Be careful. Oh, good girl. Be careful. Good girl. Oh, it's a bit cold. Go. You can do it. Oh, go. Oh. Sorry. Mommy should not laugh at you. Bad mommy, you know? You miss this, huh? And you go. Let's go. Binitawan ko na siya. Come on. Good girl. Dito, nakakaran pa rin naman siya. Like what she's doing now behind me. Kasi nga, wala na masyadong nagdudug walk like this time around. Grabe, grabe, Lord. Thank you so much for everything. What a beautiful, beautiful day. Yan lang siya. Yan, run siya, run. Diba? Pwede kang umupo dito, mag-picnic. At ang iyong view ay this one. Oh, beautiful! Go. Go to the water. Good girl. Can you go? Very good. Well done. Well done. Here you go. Ganun. Uwi na siya. Kuha na siya ng tubig. Nakainom na siya uli. Okay lang yan. Inumin kasi papunta naman yung sa river yan, galing sa river. Time check is 11:30 na ng umaga. So, ang aking, pwede pa. Bukas na lang ako magpapagas kasi more than half tank pa naman siya. So, iniisip ko kasi kanina, magpapagas na ako ngayon kasi bukas off ko pa rin. Nakabihis na ako. So, ito yung ating outfit for today sa pag-golf. And then, I got my Azero golf shoes na Adidas. My jacket na pink. And my pink cap as well as my ball marker. Okay? So, ayan. Nakalimutan ko siya. Nakalimutan ko yung bola ko linisan. So, dadala lang ng water. Tubig para meron tayong maiinom. Meron pag summer or spring na, pag naglalaro na ako ng golf, na bumibili na ako ng mga ganito. So I got KitKat there now, and I bring 3 time out. It's 94 calories. So I'll give Caroline something as well. So, and my water, ayan na. Parang laki ng tiyan ko. So, let's go to the golf course. Parang mali yung golf shoes na napili ko. Medyo masikip yung sa right, sa right foot. So, let's go. Nice.
Yes. Lovely, Jen. Go on, bounce on. Yes.
I caught that in camera. What is he doing? Thank you.
Oh, looking good.
Oh!
Oh, wow. Oh, you must be happy with that one.
Oh, yes. Oh, it's on the green.
Oh no, that's bunker.
Away from the bunker.
Look, it's gone to the
And at a little bit. I've started, that's good.
Yes.
Cup of tea after golf. Caroline is making it. Caroline will be in my YouTube.
There you go. How strong.
That's in.
Okay. Right, how much?
That's fine.
Okay.
Remember the chopping board?
Yes. Gosh, that was yeah, then.
Ano? Tapos na! Go out na! She's going out na for a pee. Nila ko na naman. Okay, darling, go. Good girl. Go have a pee-pee.